So, sir, just one question which we also get many a times, there are a lot of this, motivation speaker, trainers, workshop, YouTubers, ये बहुत होता है, बड़ा business, छोटा business, there are trainers, family business coaches. How is your program at Wellington Institute of Management different from this, this big fad of YouTube and all? Learning wise, and maybe sir can explain, Krishna and Anshu also can explain, but sir, what is it different? Why will anybody go for a structured 11-month program जब मुझे instantly कुछ ऐसा ही मिल जाता है online?
That
Go
proper
ahead, go ahead.
structured way of going to the college for 7 days, learning there, and then implementing, and then getting the mentoring calls from sir and ma'am, and explaining them the problems and getting resolved those issues in the next week. The environment वहाँ पे is helping us a lot. So
Okay.
in the online, the YouTubers and everybody, they cannot guide us in a way what our mental states are, in what direction we are going. So we cannot do that mentoring calls on that. So that is very important part.
Sir, you would like to add something? How is this different and doing this?
One more difference. See, all that is good. YouTubers and all that is good, because anyway to start, कहीं से भी start करो साहेब, लेकिन करो.
Start
That I
करो.
fully agree. But this structured program of 11 months will give you the entire package.
Understand.
Secondly, it is practical. Somebody has put up a question कि new education policy में practicals पे बहुत जोर देने वाले हैं. That's very good. Thirdly, another special thing about us is we go to Japan. Every year we go to Japan. It's a guided tour. ऐसे फेंकते नहीं है. Usually I go myself. I have been 43 times to Japan. Okay.
What happens there, sir? क्या करते हैं मतलब?
It is a very unique country, because the way, see, it is not only technology. Of course, Japan is the highest technology in the world, but today you can buy technology. India is going to have this Shinkansen bullet train also shortly. Technology can be purchased, but the way the humans interact with technology now is something unique.
Wow.
It is very difficult to explain.
Yes.
But once you get that experience, your whole way of looking at business changes.
Wow.
So we take them not only to companies. I tell you, just Japan Railway से आप घूमेंगे ना, and we give them a Japan Rail Pass. Go alone, interact with Japanese people, experience. And the Japanese people are very, 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 very nice people. They'll not insult you. They'll not treat you like, hey, अंदर खरीदने वाला है क्या बोलो? Which you hear in many shops in Dubai, Hong Kong, and all that. In Europe and all, you'll hear that. नहीं, they will प्यार से दिखाएंगे. They know very well तो नहीं खरीदने वाला है. But you go out with such a positive frame of mind, by not buying also.
Okay.
So you learn so many different things. We visit Toyota, we visit Yamaha, we visit a brewery, Asahi Brewery. It's a special beer, very different kind of beer. And Asahi Brewery does 100% recycle. Since I've been going for many years now, I have seen them saying we have got 30% recycle, 40%, 60%. Our target is 80%, our target is 90%. Last year when I went, we are doing 100% recycle.
Wow.
There is no landfill from what we do, what we make. Wow. So these are all very unique features that you get to see.
And I'm sure this kind of exposure gives the confidence to do smaller things in our own business.
Absolutely right. This year's batch, we could not go because of the sudden, in fact, we cancelled it just one day before the lockdown came.
Okay.
Had we not cancelled it, we would have lost the money.
Wow. So they may probably come next year with the next batch or at the frequent time.
Yes, they will. वो लोग मुझे दम दिया है कि just because we pass out doesn't mean we are not coming to Japan. Look at them smiling and laughing. I have been threatened कि Japan तो होगा ही होगा. Yes, by all means होगा.
But do you have a structured way to work on the mind of entrepreneurs, sir? Because one big lacuna which I see with business owners is on communication, leadership, public speaking, expressing ideas within the family and clients. So is there some softer elements taught in your program?
Yeah, what we do is we say that the best language number one language should be your results. And the moment you start getting results, your whole motivation will come in.
Ah,
Normally people think ulta. पहले motivation. Go listen to a motivation speaker. वो हाँ वो बोलेगा चलो जिंदाबाद करेंगे. No, पहला जाके छोटा चीज करो, अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा ना, खुद का मोटिवेशन आ जाएगा. And you will be interested. और क्या, और क्या, और क्या. So many times, there are these speakers who give individual coaching and all. A lot of it's all very useful. It's all very useful. It starts with motivation, but technically, we go into the technicalities of the improvement in that particular business. And
yes.
you will do it. I'm not going to advise you, because if I tell you, then you're dependent on me for life. This is a trick which is used to keep you dependent, and मेरा consultancy का पैसा आता रहेगा. We don't do that. We are in education. Shikshan Prasarak Mandali. So
Very
we say
nice.
ki you do it. I am standing behind you, like swimming. After you learn the theory, you jump in. But you have to try yourself. हाथ पैर खुद क्या हटाना पड़ेगा. Trainer will be there so that you don't sink. So
Okay.
we will be there. But you have to do it. And the moment you learn, उल्टा हो जाता है. Toyota का एक saying है, yoi shina yoi kangai, which means good product, good thinking.
Oh,
Westerners don't understand it. MBS don't understand. They say, Dr. Ji, you read it wrong. It should be good thinking, good products. But no, पहले thinking नहीं आता है. पहले हाथ से काम करो. Actually कुछ करो, thinking change होता है. All mothers know this. They change their child's behavior by making the child do it. They don't discuss with the child. They say रोज सुबह ब्रश करने का. हाँ, करने का मतलब करने का. आजकल के चिल्ड्रन बहुत स्मार्ट हैं. वो बोलते हैं लायन और टाइगर ब्रश करते हैं क्या? उनके दांत तो तगड़े होते हैं. हाँ, वो बट मदर से चुप बैठ, अभी पहले दांत साफ कर. Once that becomes a habit, your thinking changes. I challenge anybody in the audience. Tomorrow morning, don't brush your teeth. Day after tomorrow, don't brush your teeth. Brush after breakfast. करके देखो, 2 दिन कर पाएंगे, तीसरा दिन आ जाएगा automatically.
So it's by learning by doing, basically.
Yes, sir.
Learning, but it's an application-oriented program,
Yes, sir.
practical.
Yes,
I
sir.
see.
And that's unique about it.
So true.
Most programs end with business model or business plan. कि अभी हमारा 1 करोड़ का धंधा है, 100 करोड़ कैसा बनाएगा. That is showing the moon. We say नहीं 1 करोड़ 10 लाख कैसा बनाएगा, लेकिन आज
Very
आज.
important.
एक बार समझ गया ना कैसा करने का, वो 1,50,000 करोड़ होता है.
Scale हो जाता है.
2 करोड़ होता है. हाँ, and then say you 50 लाख होता है, and then you once you get rolling ना, then you say अभी कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम लोग हो जाएंगे.
There is a saying, nothing succeeds like success.
Yes.
So true, so true.
Certainly.
Sir, one important question before we conclude, and sir, the current economy is about UI, UX, interfaces, technology, digital transformation, disruptives. So these are terms which are impacting even MSMEs and SMEs and mid-sized companies, and that is creating a lot of kiosk. So does this program support those kind of mindsets?
See, a lot of this now it's like for the sake of its doing.
Okay.
And a lot of business happens for its own. You must get your fundamentals right.
Okay.
नहीं तो क्या होता है ना, you will spend a lot of money in automation, machine learning, digitalization, all that, when your fundamental is wrong. Example देता हूँ. अभी now that fellow Mihir Satra, whom I was talking about, warehouses. So he would have gone into चलो automation करने का है, warehouse को automate करेंगे, we will put new technology, and we will the barcode, QR code वगैरह सब करेंगे. That's all excellent, good. He would have spent a lot of money. He'll get benefits also, but he missed a fundamental question: do I need a warehouse at all?
Fantastic. Yes.
And then वो पैसा जो बचेगा ना, you now automate something else, spend it in your digital marketing in a different way. Yeah, pick up new things. Don't just blindly do.
Okay.
Yeah. So fundamentals is what get cleared in our institute
Okay.
first, and we say there is a sequence to it. Don't just jump into अभी क्या चल रहा है, latest fad क्या है, हाँ चलो उसके पीछे लग जाओ, मजा आता है. But that is like eating masala.
Ah,
It's very good. You should eat masala. I like to eat masala, but not only masala.
okay, okay,
Basic food चाहिए, protein, carbohydrate, fat,
okay.
and
And
then
the
you put masala. हाँ.
so the fundamentals and basics of business are not going to change
Yes.
irrespective of whatever digital transformation or disruption that will happen.
Correct. Correct.
Principles will remain the same, you mean to say.
Correct. Fundamentals will remain the same. The digital transformations will help you. No doubt about it. अभी banking का ले लो. Now it is a great benefit that I can sit at home and do banking. और जैसे बुढ़ा जाता होते जा रहा हूँ, आई एम फीलिंग मोर एंड मोर कंफर्टेबल कि घर बैठ के सब बैंकिंग मेरा हो जाएगा. हाँ, आई रिमूव्ड ऑल माय मनी फ्रॉम द स्टॉक मार्केट व्हेन इट बिगन टू क्रैश, सिटिंग इन माय कैबिन विद 2 स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज मुझे उतना नहीं आता है टेक्नोलॉजी. द 2 यंगस्टर्स. अपना रूल एक सिंपल है, जिसको आता है वो गुरु, जिसको नहीं आता है वो चेला. So all these 2 youngsters sitting in front of me now, they are my guru. When it comes to Instagram में करने का है, banking करने का है, ये करने का है, तो बैठो मैं मेरे सामने करो. That way, and it is a great benefit. Yes, but have the fundamentals changed? What is a bank doing?
Same.
It is doing exactly what it was doing before.
Yes.
Yeah, अभी भी it is allowing money to come in, allowing money to go out, allowing money to be invested, allowing returns to come, and so on. Exactly what it was doing before.
Mm.
But now there is a great convenience that is coming. The convenience does not substitute the basic activity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basic activity has not changed.
So
You
true.
cannot send out more money than what you have. I mean, you can, but overdraft का interest लगाएगा वो लोग. जबरदस्त interest लगाएगा. वो पहले भी लगाता था. Only thing पहले मुझे बैंक में जाके चेक देना पड़ता था. अभी इधर टक 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 का कंप्यूटर पे करके हो
Sure.
जाता है.
Sure.
But fundamentals have not changed.
And that is what we focus upon in the program.
हाँ, you see all your financial चीजें क्या क्या होता है, but you see all the financial report. Repo rate still same concept. हाँ, your whatever interest rates still same concept. All the concepts are still the same.
Sure.
But facilitation has become very great. Income tax is also the same. Yeah.
So
The
true.
only thing is now अभी मालूम पड़ता है कितना घर बैठ के TDS आता है. पहले जाके सर्टिफिकेट लेना पड़ता था. Yes, yes.
Yeah, Krishna, please.
I would like to add something. Like before, we used to do always the traditional way of working. We had a procedure of departmental style working, and then we learned the process of cellular layouts, and we did not
Wow.
change anything, but we divided our products into the product categories, and then we are planning. So last month, the what sir is saying on 25th, I actually called sir and told him that sir, this time we are totally going on time, 90 to 90% on time, from
Wow.
40% to 90 to 95% in 1 month is like
Wow.
amazing. And after that, today I was looking at the machine planning data, which we never used to do it before, but this time we started it. And in the October month's planning, I saw that my 40% machines are empty. We always used to pay heavy on time salaries to the workers. With that only target, whatever we had the target, this time also we have that same target. And this time I am looking at the Excel sheet which I prepared according to the cellular layout working, and my 40% of the machines are empty, and I was telling Papa that I need more work over there.
Wow.
My machines are empty. So the small things, visiting Gemba, small techniques, what sir and everybody taught us in the first month only is helping us a lot.
Very nice. So basically, you are able to diagnose and understand your own business better. You are trying to say that?
Yes.
Because 50 years, anyway, you are doing business.
Yes, but that way of doing business was traditional way of doing business. Now we are implementing lean techniques, small lean techniques, and improving the things.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Sir, any concluding remarks from you?
Yes, I have the match.
Uh-huh.
You got the paper. We put it together. We can light a fire.
So true.
But my sitting here with a match is no use. You sitting here and both of us having big discussion is no
Nothing, yeah.
use. कितना भी डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. एक बार अपन लोग साथ में आ जाएंगे ना,
Absolutely. Collaboration is the key. So true.
जला डालेंगे सारी दुनिया को.
True, true, true. Fantastic.